Hello everyone, I am Mahalakshmi, working as assistant professor in Tribhuvan College, Virudunagar. In this video, we are going to discuss about brief history of income tax. Before going to see the brief history of income tax, let us know what is income tax. Income tax is an important direct tax. It is a prominent and most significant source of revenue of the government. Government needs money to maintain law and order in the country, safeguard the security of the country from foreign powers, and promote the welfare of the people. Since the government is wedded to the socialistic pattern of society, it is the foremost duty of the government to bring out such welfare and development programs which will bridge the gap between rich and the poor. Then, all this requires mobilization of funds from various sources. These sources may be direct or indirect, and income tax, being a direct tax, is an important tool to achieve balanced socio-economic growth by providing concessions and incentives in income tax for various developmental purposes. Next, we are going to see a brief history of income tax. Under history, lot of amendments introduced by year, like in the year 1860. After that, in the year 1886 and 1917, some more amendments are added to the Income Tax Act and introduce a new act. Later, in the year 1918, new income tax was passed in 1922. Later, in the year 1961, Income Tax Act was introduced. Then last, various amendments acts are introduced for making some changes. Next, we are going to see those acts individually. In the year 1860, in India, this act was introduced for the first time in 1860 by Sir James Wilson. Then, in the year 1886, a separate income tax act was passed. This act remained in force up to 1917. So, the act introduced 1886 was followed by the year 1917 only. Then, next, 1918, new income tax act was passed in 1922. In the year 1918, Income Tax Act was passed. Again, it was replaced by another new act which was passed in 1922. Next, in the year 1961, Income Tax Act has been brought into force with effect from 1st April 1962. It applies to the whole of India and Sikkim, including Jammu and Kashmir. After that, various amendments acts like Taxation Laws Amendment Act 1984, Direct Taxes Amendment Act 1987, Direct Taxes Law Acts of 1988 and 1989, then Direct Tax Law Act 1989 and Taxation Law Act 1991 was implemented year by year. As a matter of fact, the Income Tax Act 1961, which come into force on 1st April 1962, has been amended and re-amended widely. It has therefore become very complicated both for the administrating authorities and the taxpayers. Thank you, one and all.